If you're planning to buy a 3D printer in 2026, you're stepping into a market that has improved massively over the last few years. Today's printers are faster, more precise, easier to use, and more specialized than ever before. But here's the thing. Not every 3D printer is built for the same purpose. Some are designed for speed and productivity, others for massive builds, and some focus entirely on ultra-detailed output. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026 based on real-world performance, features, ease of use, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. This is a high-end Core XY 3D printer built for both speed and creativity. It supports printing speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and includes a multicolor filament system, allowing you to create complex designs without manual intervention. In real-world use, this printer stands out for its balance of speed and quality. Thanks to the Core XY motion system, it minimizes vibration and maintains accuracy even at high speeds. Multicolor printing opens up a whole new level of possibilities, especially for designers, hobbyists, and content creators. Initial setup may take some time, especially when configuring multiple filaments. However, once set up, the system is reliable and efficient. Automatic calibration features also help reduce errors and improve print success rates. Pros: multicolor printing capability, extremely fast print speeds, stable and precise Core XY design, ideal for creative and advanced users. If you want a powerful, future-ready 3D printer that can handle complex and colorful prints, this is one of the best options available. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3 Max. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Max. This printer is designed for large-scale printing. It features an impressive build volume of 500 by 420 by 420 millimeters, making it ideal for big projects. This printer allows you to print large objects in one piece, which saves time and improves structural integrity. Even at large sizes, print quality remains solid, although proper calibration is essential for best results. Because of its size, this printer requires more space and careful setup. However, the smart app control makes it easier to monitor prints remotely. Pros: massive build volume, high-speed printing, remote monitoring via app, ideal for large projects. Best for users who need large-format printing without compromises. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra S1 Speedy. This printer focuses on speed, simplicity, and quiet operation. Like the combo version, it uses a Core XY structure and supports fast printing speeds. This printer is ideal for everyday printing tasks. It delivers consistent results and operates quietly, making it suitable for home environments. It's also easier to use, making it a good option for beginners who still want high-speed performance. Setup is straightforward, and the simplified design makes maintenance easier. Pros: fast and reliable, quiet operation, easy setup, compact design. A great balance between performance and simplicity. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max, a resin 3D printer designed for high-detail printing. It features a 7K LCD screen and a large resin build volume. This printer produces incredibly detailed prints with smooth surfaces, making it ideal for miniatures, jewelry, and professional applications. The large build volume also allows for multiple prints at once. Resin printing requires more effort, including cleaning and curing prints. Proper safety precautions are also necessary. Pros: extremely high detail, smooth surface finish, large resin print capacity, professional-grade output. Best for users who need high precision and fine detail. Number 5. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, one of the most beginner-friendly 3D printers available. It features auto bed leveling, dual Z-axis support, and a direct drive extruder. This printer is easy to set up and delivers consistent results for everyday printing. It's ideal for beginners, students, and hobbyists who want a reliable entry-level machine. Minimal setup and straightforward controls make it very accessible, even if you've never used the 3D printer before. Pros: beginner-friendly, auto-leveling, stable design, affordable. A perfect starting point for anyone new to 3D printing. If you want multicolor and high-speed printing, go with the Anycubic Kobra S1 combo. If you need large-scale printing, the Kobra 3 Max is the best option. For fast and simple everyday use, the S1 Speedy is a great choice. If you need ultra-detailed prints, the Photon Mono M7 Max is ideal. And if you're a beginner, the Ender 3 V3 SE is the perfect starting point. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability.